Hello and good evening, traders. We are on the evening of 8th of May, Monday evening, almost 8:40 p.m. And with today's 1% move from the benchmark Nifty, which was around 180 points, the index clearly proves a point that it is in no mode to retrace down and probably on the way to gain further upsides towards 18,400 or 18,500. Now, at the last close, there was a window of opportunity for the bears, which I had mentioned in the weekly video, only if Friday's low was compromised. Now, that did not happen. If you take a look at the smaller time frame, the charts of the smaller time frames, you will clearly notice a broadening kind of a behavior on the 75-minute time frame of Nifty futures. Now, what this is interesting because last time it broke out its previous high in this particular time frame, led to a retracement. With today's move, the index has done the same thing. It has broken below its previous fractal high. Now the question is, will it lead to a retracement or not? Broadening patterns like this are prone to movements which are essentially breakout failures. We'll see that. We'll get some clarity on this tomorrow. But important thing on the downside is a decent support has got established close to 18,100, 18,120, and any kind of a short-term correction or consolidation should find support close to these levels. As long as today's low is not broken, I don't expect much weakness from the market going forward. Bank Nifty, on the other hand, was not as strong as Nifty. We can see that the index was completely within Friday's range and it has created what we know as a inside bar. So any kind of a directional move for Bank Nifty will come once it takes out either today's low on the downside or today's high on the upside. If the Bank Nifty opens up on the downside, if at all, then the important stocks to keep in mind will be HDFC Bank. That is, after this big breakdown, the stock has now consolidated and any kind of further weakness can only come if today's low is compromised on the downside. HDFC also will show you similar kind of a behavior, and so keep in mind HDFC and HDFC Bank's low for today. Any kind of breakdown if you get within the next two trading sessions can lead to fresh weakness, or else it will try to retrace back from the recent correction. So the overall market's trend and momentum stays positive. Immediate support kicks in at today's low. Bears or short traders should only look for opportunities if and only if today's low gets compromised within the next one or two trading sessions. Trade well. Good night.